Welcome to codesnacks. My name is Ben, and today we will have a look on how to handle secrets like an API key in Node.js. The simple solution is, of course, just to put it in your code. So we have an index.js file here that contains our super secret key. But that's not a very good idea, because you could easily leak that secret, especially if you have your code in version control, because even if you erase your secret, it will still be in the history. And you would have to essentially create a new repository without that history to actually get rid of that secret. So there's a better way, and usually that way is to use environment variables. You can, for example, start your application with the environment variable prepended. So instead of starting your application with node index.js, you could also start it with API key equals super secret key node index.js. You can then access the env property of the process object that's available to all Node applications. And your application would still work. To not having to write this every time we start our application, we could also add that into our package.json. So let's create a start script here that actually starts our application. We can now start the whole application with just npm start. But of course, we are now back to the initial problem, because also the package.json is committed to your repository. To solve this, we can use the .env module that loads variables from a .env file into process.env. So let's install it. And let's create a .env file in which we will put our API key. Let's now require it in our index.js file and remove it from the package.json. Let's try this out. And it still logs our super secret key. Ideally, we would exclude the .env file from version control. So we will add it to a gitignore file. Let's create one. And let's add our env file here. This way we can have all of our secrets in one place and use them securely without accidentally leaking them.